Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to return or request a refund for an order on the H&M app. First, open the H&M app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Go to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Orders and find the order you want to return. Tap Return Items or Request Refund and choose the products you want to send back. Select the reason for your return and confirm your choice. Follow the instructions to get your return label or QR code. Print the label if required, or simply take the QR code to the nearest H&M return drop-off point or courier partner. Once H&M receives and processes your return, you'll get a confirmation and your refund will be issued to your original payment method. And that's it. That's how to return or request a refund for an order on the H&M app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.